In recent years, the importance of sunlight for our health has been increasingly recognized. However, a Harvard scientist is now warning that exposure to bright light during the night can significantly increase the risk of developing certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and intestinal cancer. What is the link between nighttime light exposure and cancer? Numerous studies have demonstrated a link between exposure to bright light at night, particularly blue light, and an increased risk of prostate, colon, and especially breast cancer. This is primarily due to the fact that bright light can suppress the body's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep and possesses anti-cancer properties. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, has classified night shift work, which involves exposure to large amounts of light at night, as a probable carcinogen. This classification is based on the disruption of the body's circadian rhythms, which can lead to various health problems. What role does melatonin play in our body? According to Martin Moreed, MD, a former professor at Harvard Medical School, melatonin is a dark hormone that ensures the synchronization of the body's circadian rhythms with the time of day and night. It also acts as a breast cancer suppressor. Exposure to bright light at night not only increases the risk of developing breast cancer, but also accelerates tumor growth. Beyond the risk of cancer, this type of light exposure can also disrupt the duration and quality of sleep, leading to other health problems such as depression and diabetes. Why is blue light a problem? The primary issue is not bright light itself, but blue light in the range of 440 to 495 nanometers, which closely resembles natural daylight. We are over 25 times more sensitive to blue light with a wavelength of 440 to 495 nanometers than to full-spectrum white light. The problem lies in the fact that LEDs are rich in this type of light. How to reduce exposure to bright light at night? Specialists recommend several strategies to reduce exposure to bright light at night. In the evening, choose lighting with zero blue light content. Sleep in a dark room. Consider investing in blackout curtains or blinds. Spend an hour outside every morning to expose yourself to daylight. It's important to note that the relationship between light exposure and cancer development is complex and influenced by various factors. These include individual genetic susceptibility, duration of exposure, and other lifestyle issues. Therefore, while it's crucial to manage light exposure, it's also essential to maintain a balanced lifestyle to mitigate cancer risk.